We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian dolce vita. Venite con noi.
Who's coffee? Bloody good. Sure you don't want some?
I don't want coffee.
Smell.
I don't want coffee. If you're happy and you know it.
Clap your hands.
Why are you on about when I get paid?
So no, just thinking. Where we going?
Taormina. When do you get paid?
Yeah, the same answer.
It's hot.
It's damn hot.
By the way, you snored last night, eh?
Why were you listening? You should have been sleeping. Whoa. 3 fellas from Liverpool walked in. They got fried mozzarella, fried chips, and like a big fryer. As you would Italian fryer. Buddy, the sun was giving me that champagne.
Did you take that rubbish out last night? I'm just sick to them. You know, come on, let's have a Zoom meeting and let's discuss this.
I can tell you, last night Roma played against Juve. Game was pretty good.
Can you read? Okay, so we've come to Castelmola because we've got the energy, because you have to walk, it's all uphill. So we thought we'd do that before Taormina.
Absolutely.
And it's
It's a little
so
town
pretty.
up on the top of this hill.
Yeah,
Old castle on the top. It's very nice.
I actually prefer it to Taormina. People may hate me for that, but
It's tiny. It's really
tiny, it's lovely.
small. Not a whole lot to see, but there's enough to see, which puts a smile on your face.
Absolutely, so come and visit. This is to help you come down here.
Like you need help to get down.
For the view here. That part over there is my favourite. Comparing their drones, ours looks like a baby one compared to the gentleman's. Russ, did you enjoy that little trip up to see the ruined castle?
Yeah,
Look at this view. And we met some new people, like we
like
always
always, you make friends wherever you
we
go.
always do. Really nice. They were comparing their drones. He
Yeah,
did have a
well,
bigger one, Massey.
Well, mine's more nifty.
And they swapped videos, which is really sweet. And he might even subscribe to our channel, so that'll be nice. So we might even see him.
Yeah.
Well, we won't see him, but
Probably
we'll
leave a comment or so.
yeah, that's nice, lovely. And they were from the mountains up in the north, which
Yeah, they
is
were northerners.
something I
Let's say where they were from.
no, she told me. I forgot. I've got such a bad memory. It's terrible. But yeah, definitely, I would love to go up to the north.
We will do it.
Wouldn't be
It's
as
on our
hot as
bucket list,
this.
isn't it? Yeah, it's on our bucket list, absolutely.
Right, shall we go to Taormina?
Taormina. Let's go see that
Taormina.
bar first.
Oh yeah, first, yeah, definitely. Buongiorno.
Round and round and round and round like a goddamn fish in a fishbowl.
Oh, it's so fresh here. Beautiful. This place is incredible. Cheers, Mas. The lizard is taking it. I can't believe it. Look at that. The lizard wants it. Maz. He's got it. He's got it. Come on, get it. No. Masi wants to shoot the cannon. Should we let him do it? We haven't got all day, Mas.
I just want to blow them up down the road.
Those that didn't give us a parking when we were trying to get parking, hey?
Blow them up.
Do you want to say anything?
Yes, please come and visit this place. Very, very pretty.
It's pretty, isn't it?
The communal garden.
Yeah, Villa Comunale. Look at that view.
This public garden is a green oasis in the middle of Taormina. Lady Florence Trevelyan, originally from England, who had to leave because she was having apparently an affair with the future King Edward VII, came to Taormina in 1884 and married the mayor. These strange buildings you see were commissioned by Lady Florence as her follies. She would spend her days here reading and admiring the sea views.
Finally arrived down here after a couple of hours up in Taormina, looking at the Villa Comunale. It was so hot, we are actually sweating, so now we're gonna go for a nice swim. Unfortunately, Isola Bella, the actual island, is closed. It closed at 4, we missed it by half an hour, but Masi's got the drone, so we'll be flying that above the island to show you. Okay, so we've just met these guys over here. Hi! And you guys have got a YouTube channel, is that right?
Yeah.
What's it called?
Florida Outdoor Adventures.
Okay.
Yours?
Mia Sicilia.
Mia Cecilia. I think you guys are probably living the dream.
We are.
Absolutely.
We are.
Unexpected collaboration.
Absolutely. So I'm actually wearing his Ray-Bans.
Meta.
Yeah, Meta.
Ray-Bans.
Meta Ray-Bans, and we're near Isola Bella. Well, we are at Isola Bella actually. It's beautiful. Sun's going down.
A subscriber sent it to me. A good subscriber. He went to a wedding or something. While you're filming. He went to a wedding and he asked him a favor real quick, and he was chatting with them.
Beautiful, man.
And he said, "Would you mind mentioning my friend?"
That's great. That's
Stroke of
beautiful.
luck,
That's good
eh?
collaboration with mates as well.
Okay, we had a lovely cold shower and now we are ready to leave Taormina and head off home. Right, Mas?
Yep. Beautiful afternoon.
It's been such a nice afternoon.
Really hot now, it's all cool down.
Actually met some people and made friends with them.
Made friends again. And that's it.
Yep, so that was great. Bye, Taormina. Bye.
Thank you for coming with us to Taormina and having fun with us. We will see you next week with a brand new one. In the meantime, if you haven't already done so, subscribe, like, and comment. See you next week with a brand new one. Ciao!